In this video, I want to show you how to have multiple Gmail accounts from just one Gmail account. So what I mean is this: all you have to do is to create one official Gmail account or an email account, and from that one email or Gmail, you can be able to open multiple survey accounts using that one Gmail account and get more Gmail that would send messages to that same email account. As we go in this video, you will understand what I'm talking about. It's no longer a news that opening multiple Gmail accounts is now a struggle. And because this is a struggle for many of us doing online surveys, this is affecting how many accounts we can be able to open. I mean, who wants to buy a number just to open a Gmail account? And most times they want you to still have that number with you. If you are meeting me for the first time, this is your first time coming to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. In this channel, we'll talk about how to make money online through doing online survey majorly. As time goes on, we're going to be bringing in more videos about CPA marketing and all of that. If this interests you, click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share the video, and drop a comment. I always read your comments and I respond to all the comments in this channel. So if you have any struggle around survey and all of that, you can click on that. Also, if you want to join my free WhatsApp community where you're going to be with the same like-minded people and get free tips around surveys and all of that, just say in the comment section, or rather I may also drop a link in the comment section. In that link, you can be able to join my free WhatsApp platform. All right. So the platform I want to show you today, where you can be able to use one email to create multiple email, is this website. I'm going to leave the link in the description, but it's not really hard for you to be able to follow along. So all you have to do now is to go to your browser and type MailPrefer. Just type MailPrefer.com. Now, this is an online platform where you can input your official email and being able to get all that email. And guys, this is completely free of charge. Of course, if you want to now create a premium version, then you will not pay for it. But if you are using your email, you can get this for free. You can see it right here. It said create Gmail aliases generator, free Gmail aliases generator. Instantly generate unlimited Gmail using dots or plus tricks. Stay organized, filter emails smartly, and protect your account, all for free. Okay, so the statement here is all for free. This is one of the platforms that gives you this for free. So how do you use this? You can do Gmail, you can do Outlook and Hotmail. This is for Outlook emails. You can also do email extractor. You can create a QR code. All right, you can do all of that. But in this video, we want to focus on the Gmail too. Okay, so when you scroll down here, you're going to see your email. So this is where you're going to input your email. So I'm going to input this particular email right here, which is what you are seeing right here. Then the next thing is use category. So they're asking you what category you are going to use this for. All you have to do is to click on this and select here. So if you want to use this for job hunting, let me arrange this very well. If you want to use this for job hunting, choose job hunting. If it's for shopping, choose shopping. If it's for freelance job, use freelance. If it's for education, if you know there are some surveys like Prolific and the others high-paying surveys, they like educational kind of email. So you can use education and get the educational email that qualifies you for educational kind of survey websites. Okay, so we have healthcare, we have online details, but for me, I'm going to choose education right here. And when you choose education, you're going to see the number of this. So just choose the number of email you want to generate from this. You can see you can do 10, 20, up to even 10,000 email. You can also put a custom one here. So if you want to do something like 55 or so you can have that as custom. But if not, you can just leave it the way it was and generate the amount here. So I'm going to be generating 20. So once you are done putting this, all you have to do is to click on what? Generate. Okay, So guys, I've tested these emails and they are actually working. So you can see this right here. All right, so this email is the same email but plus education 4159@gmail.com. So now if all of this email you use to sign up on the survey website, when you receive your code or anything that they're going to send to you, it is going to arrive at the official email. So I'm going to take this particular email right now. So let me see if I can sign in my Gmail and show you that this particular one is working. I don't think my email is signed here, but if it's signed here, we're going to continue with this. If it's not signed in, know that I've tested this already, so I don't give informations that are not accurate on this channel. But just for clarity purpose, to clarify that this is working, so I'm going to try and see if my emails is signing on this particular browser. So let's just wait for that. Okay, so I have one email signed in here, so I'm going to try to log out now and just switch out from the email. So let me log into this one. So what I will do is that I will come over here, pick one of these emails here, which one of these that it generated for me. So just click on the copy button, it's going to copy it. Then I'm going to allow this to load up. Yes, this has fully loaded up. Compose an email. I'm just going to send an email right here. So as you can see, I'm sending it to the email that I already created, the one that we collected from that place. I'm just going to write testing as my subject. Then I'm going to come over here and just write hello. Okay, hello, how are you? So I'm going to just send that, and you're going to see that once you say email sent, I'm going to come over to this one right now. You see there was nothing here before, so I'm going to refresh it. All right, so you can see it right here. At the moment, you can just click on this copy clipboard. When you click on this, it's going to copy all the emails right there. Another way you can export is to export as txt, which is text file. You can also export as word, you can export as pdf. So how this video really help you. Now if you have not done that, please hit on the subscribe button right now. Until I see you again on my next video, continue earning. Bye for now.